Is your Acura RDX key fob from 2016 to 2020 not working or showing an open case error? It's likely the battery. These models use a CR2032 battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY fix that can save you money. In this video, we'll show you how to do it in minutes. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key and a new CR2032 battery. Don't worry, this is a beginner-level repair. Replacing the battery resolves 85 to 90% of key fob issues. If you're experiencing remote malfunctions, especially after extreme weather, a fresh battery is the first thing to try. First, locate the seam on the side of the key fob. This is where the two halves meet. Insert your flathead screwdriver or key into the small notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to damage the rubber gasket. Remove the old CR2032 battery from the fob. Insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up. Consider using a sealed Panasonic CR2032 for longer life. Snap the two halves of the fob back together until you hear a click. Test the fob to ensure it's working by pressing the buttons. If it's still not working, consult your Acura RDX manual on how to reprogram it via ignition cycle. To prevent corrosion, avoid touching the battery contacts with your fingers. If the remote still does not work, clean the circuit board with isopropyl alcohol as there may be corrosion.